So here we have the Ford Fiesta on a 69 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you in the boot and then we'll hop in and run through some controls from there. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have plenty of boot space along with that 60-40 split folding rear seat, should you wish to increase the space even further. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer. In the middle at the bottom, we have the coolant temperature gauge and fuel gauges, and above that, a digital readout for the speedometer. In the top left-hand corner, you can see the total miles for the car. They are 3,062. You can change the information displayed in that central section by using controls on the steering wheel. So we have a trip computer, as you can see, vehicle settings, your phone, audio and navigation, and then we get back round to the beginning again. And the buttons that I was using to do that are just here. Beneath that, we have phone and stereo controls. Stereo controls continue on the left, along with cruise control and speed limiter just there. Over in the center, we have the touchscreen for the car. So you can turn the stereo on from here and adjust the volume from there. Once you're into the stereo menu, you'll see that we have AM, FM and DAB radio, Bluetooth audio, so you can stream your music wirelessly as well, and two separate USB inputs. If you plug devices into those, they'll appear up on here as further options for you. This is where you pair your phone. So hit add phone.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
And then just follow the instructions on screen from there. You'll also see this car's got satellite navigation. There's a full video showing how this works on our website and on our YouTube channel. Working our way down, we have the main volume for the stereo. We then have the climate control. So you can adjust the temperature, the fan speed. You can determine where you'd like the air to be distributed once it enters the car. When you're happy with those settings, this button turns your air conditioning off or back on again. Or hit auto. The car will then take control of the fan speed and the direction of the air to maintain this temperature. You can override that whenever you wish to. We have a heated rear screen and a proper heated front screen as well. Down below here we have a 12-volt charging socket and one of the two USB inputs, a 6-speed manual gearbox, and then these buttons just here. So you can put the car in eco mode, you can turn the traction control on and off, and this one turns off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. That system is now off. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.